Fun. Animal superpowers.
American robin, the cheerful red-breasted birds that bring spring to life. These amazing songbirds can detect earthworms underground using only their hearing, sensing the vibrations of worms moving beneath the soil. American robins possess incredible migration abilities, traveling thousands of miles using Earth's magnetic field as their GPS for kids learning about navigation in nature. American robins have extraordinary temperature regulation, staying warm in freezing winters by fluffing their feathers to create insulating air pockets, making them one of the few wild animals that can survive both scorching summers and snowy winters. These trending birds can produce over 2,000 different song variations using complex musical notes to communicate territory, danger, and even to court potential mates, creating a fascinating world of sound for kids interested in animal communication. These viral birds have remarkable parenting skills, with both mother and father robins working together to build nests, incubate eggs, and feed hungry babies. American robin parents deliver over 100 meals per day to their nestlings, making them educational examples of dedicated family care in the animal kingdom. American robins are true acrobats of the sky, capable of spotting tiny insects from 50 feet away and diving with pinpoint accuracy to catch them. Their vision is so powerful they can see colors humans cannot perceive, including ultraviolet light that helps them find food hidden from human eyes, making them fascinating subjects for kids learning about animal superpowers. These beautiful birds make their homes in woodlands, parks, gardens, and suburban areas across North America. Their iconic orange-red breast contrasts with slate-gray backs and wings, making them instantly recognizable to kids watching these funny birds hop across lawns hunting for worms. Did you know American robins aren't actually robins at all? These birds build amazing cup-shaped nests using mud, grass, and twigs, weaving materials together so strongly that nests sometimes survive for years as educational examples of natural architecture for kids. In many cultures, American robins symbolize renewal and hope. These intelligent birds have learned to follow human lawnmowers to catch insects stirred up by the wheels, showing remarkable adaptation to human activities. Their beautiful morning songs have inspired poets, musicians, and storytellers throughout history, with their melodies featured in countless stories for kids. American robins can eat up to 14 feet of earthworms in a single day. For kids interested in wild animals, watching robins hunt is both entertaining and educational. Scientists have discovered that robins can remember thousands of different locations where they've hidden food, showing remarkable intelligence and memory. As spring turns to summer, robin parents teach their babies essential survival skills through play, demonstrating how to find food, avoid predators, and navigate their surroundings. These learning moments create viral video opportunities that show the caring family life of these trending birds. In conclusion, American robins bring joy, color, and music to our world. Their resilience, intelligence, and adaptability make them perfect examples of nature's wonders for kids. Join us for more video adventures exploring fascinating animals on our channel, Fun Animals for Kids. Subscribe to keep learning about the amazing creatures that share our planet and make our world more fun and exciting.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
English Cocker Spaniels wiggle their entire bodies when they're happy, creating what looks like a furry tornado of pure joy that can melt even the grumpiest person's heart. You see, these adorable hunting dogs possess a secret superpower that most people never realize. They can detect human emotions through scent alone, making them living mood detectors with wagging tails. Isn't that just amazing? Many believe small dogs can't be serious working animals, but English Cocker Spaniels shatter this misconception completely. These compact canines were originally bred as fearless bird hunters in the English countryside, specializing in flushing woodcock from dense undergrowth. Their name literally comes from their expertise hunting these elusive birds, earning them legendary status among British sporting dogs. Quite impressive, don't you think? What makes these dogs truly remarkable is their incredible nose power. English Cocker Spaniels possess over 300 million scent receptors, compared to humans who have only 6 million. This viral ability allows them to track scents that are days old, making them trending stars in search and rescue operations worldwide. Their compact size lets them squeeze into spaces where larger dogs cannot reach, saving lives in earthquake rubble and avalanche debris. Truly, their capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. These intelligent companions form unbreakable bonds with their families, often choosing one special person as their devoted best friend. English Cocker Spaniels communicate through an amazing variety of sounds, from gentle whimpers to excited barks that sound almost like talking. Their expressive eyes seem to understand every word their humans say, creating emotional connections that last lifetimes. Originally developed in England during the 1800s, these dogs helped feed families by retrieving game birds from marshlands and forests. Their water-resistant coats and webbed feet make them natural swimmers who love splashing through streams and ponds. Young kids learning about different dog breeds discover that English Cocker Spaniels are perfect family pets because they're gentle with children, yet brave enough to protect their loved ones. These remarkable dogs prove that the best adventures come in compact, loving packages. Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids on YouTube to explore more amazing animal stories and discover why these special dogs continue capturing hearts worldwide.
Fun. Animal superpowers.
10 animal myths most people still believe are true. And honestly, at least one on this list is probably something you were taught in school, maybe by a teacher who had no idea they were wrong. Because, some of the most confidently repeated animal facts in the world are actually completely, provably false. And they've been circulating for so long, in so many places, that correcting them almost feels rude. Almost. Just a heads up. Your childhood facts might not survive this video. From elementary school classrooms to nature documentaries, from grandparents passing down wisdom to friends arguing at dinner tables across North America, these myths have been told and retold until they feel like common sense. And common sense, it turns out, is sometimes just shared misinformation wearing a very confident face. Let's fix that. 10 myths. All busted. Starting now. Myth number 1. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. False. Completely, thoroughly false. Goldfish have actually been trained in laboratory settings to perform tasks and remember them weeks later. They can navigate mazes, recognize feeding signals, and recall learned behaviors for months. The 3-second myth probably exists because goldfish seem unbothered in small tanks. Not because they've forgotten where they are, but because, well, there's just nowhere else to look. Goldfish memory, weeks, not seconds. Myth number 2. Bulls are enraged by the color red. The truth is, cattle are red-green colorblind. The red cape in bullfighting is invisible to the bull as a color. What actually provokes the animal is the movement of the cape, not its color. If bullfighters used blue capes, the result would be exactly the same. The red exists entirely for the human audience. The bull doesn't see red, it sees movement. Myth number 3. Bats are blind. Not a single bat species on Earth is blind. All bats have functioning eyes. Many see quite well, actually. The myth probably comes from the fact that bats use echolocation so effectively that they can navigate in complete darkness. But using one extraordinary sense doesn't eliminate another. Saying bats are blind because they echolocate is like saying humans are deaf because we use our eyes to read. All bats have eyes. All bats can see. Okay, so myth number 4. A lot of people believe that mother birds will abandon babies touched by humans. Honestly, this one has probably caused more unnecessary heartbreak than any other animal myth out there. But here's the thing. Birds actually have an extremely limited sense of smell. A mother bird does not detect human scent on her chick and reject it. So, If you find a nestling on the ground and can locate the nest, you can and absolutely should put it back. The mother will return. Really, just put the baby bird back. The mother will return. Moving on to myth number 5. You might have heard that ostriches bury their heads in the sand when they're scared. But honestly, they do not. They never have. What ostriches actually do when threatened is press their long necks flat against the ground, making themselves harder to spot from a distance. From far away, this can look like the head is underground, but, well, it isn't. The ostrich is hiding. Maybe not very well sometimes, but they are genuinely trying. Flat on the ground, not underground. Alright, myth number 6. Chameleons change color to camouflage themselves. This is the big one that surprises almost everyone, honestly. Chameleons do change color, dramatically, beautifully, and really rapidly. But camouflage is rarely the primary reason. Chameleons actually change color to communicate. Mood, temperature regulation, dominance, attraction, stress, all of that gets expressed through color. So, a chameleon turning bright and vivid isn't hiding. It's talking. Color change equals communication, not camouflage. If your brain is happily short-circuiting right now, share this video immediately because the remaining myths get even more surprising. And number 9 is one that parents repeat to children constantly without realizing it's wrong. There are 4 more myths, so, yeah, keep watching. Myth number 7. Dogs only see in black and white. Actually, dogs see in color, just a reduced spectrum compared to humans. They perceive blues and yellows quite well. The world to a dog isn't black and white. It looks closer to what a person with red-green colorblindness sees, which explains, among other things, why your dog loses a bright red ball thrown onto green grass in Asheville, North Carolina every single time. It essentially vanishes for them. Dogs see color, just not all of yours. Okay, so, myth number 8. Touching a toad gives you warts. But here's the thing, warts in humans are actually caused by human papillomavirus, which is, a human virus that toads just can't carry or transmit. Now, toads do have skin secretions that can be irritating or even toxic to predators, and that's real, so it's worth knowing. But, warts from toad contact? That's just biologically impossible. The myth probably sticks around because toads look warty, and honestly, humans are just really good at finding patterns that aren't actually there. Moving on to myth number 9. You should put an injured wild animal in a box and keep it warm. Well, well-meaning people all over the country, from wildlife corridors in the Florida Everglades to suburban backyards in Ohio, do this all the time. And, unfortunately, it often makes things a lot worse. Heat stress, improper handling, and delaying professional care can actually turn a survivable injury into something fatal. The right move is always to contact a licensed wildlife rehabilitator immediately and just follow their specific instructions instead of improvising. Alright, myth number 10. Sharks must keep swimming or they die. So some sharks must. Certain open water species like great whites and mako sharks use what's called ram ventilation, which means they need water flowing through their gills all the time. But actually, the majority of shark species can breathe while completely stationary, by actively pumping water through their gills themselves. Nurse sharks, for instance, spend big chunks of their lives just resting motionless on the seafloor, totally unbothered and, yep, very much alive. So that's 10 myths and 10 corrections. And, every single one of them was repeated by someone who was just totally certain they were telling the truth. The thing about misinformation is, it doesn't usually come from dishonesty. It comes from confidence that's just passed down without ever being questioned. The animal world really deserves better than that. And honestly, so do you. Every animal has hidden abilities, strange habits, and stories that are absolutely worth discovering.